Hello there. Securing sensitive data has never been more important or more complex. Yet, in many organizations, protecting data across non-production environments remains slow, manual, or inconsistent. With Mage Data's conversational UI, data masking is as simple as sending a message. Just ask, and your data is masked, instantly in place with zero disruption. As you'll notice, this isn't just a simulation. It's production-ready execution, complete with built-in policy controls, automation, and real security. When an authorized user needs to generate test data, they simply launch the conversational UI and follow the guided steps. But it's not just about ease. It's about doing masking right where your data lives without compromise. Why in-place masking matters. Mage Data protects sensitive data that is already in a destination database, such as production clone and staging, or in a file directory like a landing zone for downstream apps. Mage Data uses proven methods like format-preserving encryption, AS256, shuffling, pseudonymization, or redaction to match businesses' compliance needs and risk profiles. Mage Data identifies sensitive fields automatically and applies pre-configured or custom policies across environments, ensuring regulatory compliance every step of the way. Data relationships stay intact, so testing, training, and development environments behave exactly like production. Security and governance teams define masking rules once and enforce them consistently across business units, environments, and regions. Whether you're working with SAP, Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, Cloud Data Lakes, or files, Mage Data masks it in place across structured and unstructured sources. By reducing reliance on DBAs, manual scripting, and repeated data refreshes, Mage Data dramatically lowers the cost and complexity of test data management while improving security posture. We can see that before masking, the sensitive production data are at risk as visible to all. After masking with Mage Data, we get secure, realistic data, usable for testing, analytics, or UAT without compromise. Mage Data's in-place static data masking helps you protect sensitive data at scale, stay compliant, and empower your teams with zero disruption. Secure, compliant, in place. Contact Mage Data for more information. Thank you.